This question is asking us to evaluate a function at a specific value. It says the function f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 is defined for all real numbers. What is the value of f of negative 2? First thing we want to notice is the function is f of x, and then we're asked to find f of negative 2. So where x is, we now have a negative 2, which means everywhere in f that we have an x, we're going to replace it with negative 2. That would look like this. So f of negative 2. If you'll use parentheses, you can't go wrong, and it will help you with your order of operations. So every time we see an x, let's put it in parentheses. So 3, now there's an x. We'll put that in parentheses, negative 2, and then that's getting squared. That helps eliminate one of the most common mistakes, which would be to multiply the 3 and the negative 2, getting negative 6, and then squaring negative 6, which gives you a completely different value. Okay, but we notice only x is being squared, the 3 is not. So when we put it in parentheses, that takes that into account. Okay, let's keep going with the parentheses. So minus 5, now there's an x, so that's the parentheses, negative 2, and then we have plus 2. If you're willing to just take half a second longer and put the x value in parentheses, and then whether it's a physical calculator or you use some on-screen calculator, if you'll put it in exactly like it's written here with the x value in parentheses, the calculator will give you the correct answer. So you could just hit enter and it will give you the value that you need. So that's one way you could approach it on the ACT. Let's just show why that's working though. So here we have negative 2 is being squared, and any number squared will be positive. So negative 2 squared is negative 2 times negative 2, which is 4. So showing that, it would look like 3 times 4. And then negative 5 times negative 2, the minus and the minus make that plus 10, and then we have the plus 2. Cleaning this up just a little bit more, 3 times 4 is 12, plus 10 plus 2. And so now we can finish this off and we can say f of negative 2, the function's value at negative 2 would be 12 plus 10, which is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. And we can find that answer in choice J.